So how to count my stitches to know how many of them I've done. So let's see. So this is my final stitch, and this is also a stitch. So I'll count it in. So this is my first. But I also have to see 2 loops. So this is my first stitch. And I have to find all these 2 loops. So first one was here. Then second, third, now it's number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, I'll bring it here, and the final 24. So, and if the pattern says 24 stitches, then I've done it correctly. If not, for instance, I have 25 stitches. So this is what I'll do. I'll go back in the final stitch and I just have to start over. And here again I should count my stitches to find the error. I hope it helps.